opportunities, I guess. See if I can clear my throat there. They do have some short printed cards, very hard to pull, but they got the pink fluorescence numbered to 10, along with some other short prints. I have not personally found any, but I would love to find a pink fluorescent. There's quite a few silvers we usually find. So maybe we can get lucky and find a bunch of silvers, maybe a Genesis or a pink fluorescent while we're at it. Get a chug of water. See if I can get this frog out of my throat. Alright, we'll go ahead and bust it. Bust the first one and start opening some packs. Should be 160 card break. It'd be 20 packs with 8 cards per pack. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still waiting for the day where we get an extra pack. Occasionally they throw in like extra random cards by accident. Like you might have a pack with 10 or 11 cards or something, but I've never seen an extra pack in a box. Alright, eventually I'll get it out of there. Alright, here we go. We got Torian Prince, Nicholas Batum, Goran Dragic. Ooh, first off, we got a Giannis blue reactive for the Bucks. And upside down, maybe a Bradley Beal coming up. Yeah, Bradley Beal got game for the Wizards. And upside down again, yeah, RJ Barrett, NBA debut. A Darius Baisley rookie for the Thunder. And Kevin Durant, Team USA. Not too bad there. Zach Collins, Mason Plumlee, Clint Capella. We have a Karl Malone, Team USA. For the Jazz. Looks like we might have a rookie here. Admiral Schofield. Mosaic rookie for the Wizards. Flip it back over. Got a Hall of Fame Julius Erving. Tremont Waters rookie for the Celtics. And a debut PJ Washington for the Hornets. First couple packs got us some decent cards. Anytime you get a Mosaic rookie, it's not too bad. Even if it is Schofield, I don't know that he sees the floor. I don't even know if he's still on the... If he's still in the NBA, if they bumped him down to the G League. I'd imagine he's still on the roster in the NBA. He is one I have not kept up with. And old Bradley Beal. Alright, next pack we got Zach LaVine, Daniel Theis, Derek Favors, Jimmy Butler, blue reactive for the Heat, not too shabby. Have an upside down silver, DeAndre Bembry for the Hawks. That card's actually stamped terribly. I don't know if you can see the outline, and the shield outline are way off. Upside down here, we got Grant Williams, rookie for the Celtics, a debut Cameron Johnson, and Isaiah Roby, still in the Mavericks uniform there. Alright, Andrew Wiggins, Rashawn Holmes, Davis Bertans. Ooh, we got Anthony Davis, blue reactive. So we're getting some decent veteran players in this slot. We have a Mosaic coming up. Jonas Valanciunas. for the Grizzlies. Larry Bird, Team USA. We got a DeAndre Hunter for the Hawks. Hall of Fame Scottie Pippen for the Bulls. DeAndre Hunter's actually pretty good. Old Devontae Graham, Marvin Bagley, Gary Harris. We have another Wizards parallel rookie there, Rui Hachimura, NBA debut, blue reactive. Got game Kyrie Irving. There's a John Morant base. We got Terrence Davis base rookie, as well as Charles Barkley, Team USA. Well, there we go. Nice John Morant. Yeah, so we got the blue reactors. We got AD, Giannis, Jimmy Butler, and just the first, 5 packs. A lot of times we're getting the old Troy Brown Juniors and Dwight Powells of the world. So that's pretty nifty. So Team USA will go to the team that they played for the longest. So last I checked, I think Barkley was Philly. Durant would be still the Thunder, I think. Those are, I think, the only two really in question. You got Larry Bird, the Celtics, Magic to the Lakers, Dwayne Wade to the Heat. That was the main reason I did it like that, because there's a lot of players that they had one team they played for a really long time. So it really affects Kevin Durant and Barkley are kind of confusing, I guess. Pascal Siakam, Markelle Fultz, DeMar DeRozan, Larry Nance Jr., blue reactive for the Cavaliers. Will Twin, Joel Embiid. Nicolo Melli, rookie for the Pelicans. There's an MVP's LeBron James for the Cavs. And Brandon Clark, rookie for the Grizzlies. Not too bad. A lot of people were chasing that LeBron MVP's card when it first came out. And then there got to be a lot of them available. Derek White, Kevin Love, Wesley Matthews. We have a rookie here. Oh, Nickeil Alexander-Walker. When this kid's given a shot, he can ball. Like when they got guys out or guys needing rest or whatever, he can play. I like that card. Silver, Nicholas Batum for the Hornets. Our rookies, we got Jordan Poole for the Warriors. A debut Jarrett Culver and Talon Horton-Tucker for the Lakers. You got all the Larry Nances. Draymond Green, Dwight Howard, Hurricane Korkmaz. There's Steven Adams. Dude's got a sick tattoo on his right arm. Dude's a beast. Jam Masters, DeAndre Jordan. We always get the DeAndre Jordan one for some reason. We got a debut, Eric Pascal, Fondu Cabango rookie, and a Hall of Fame, Karl Malone. Batum. A little bit better silver than our first one, maybe. Alright, we got 2 packs left in this box. I think it was the last time we broke this, we pulled a Stephon Marbury. The old Starbury auto. Not a super valuable card. I think it was like $10, but just super crazy to have pulled a pretty big name big name auto from back in the day. Markieff Morris, Gordon Hayward, Thomas Bryant. Got a Jeff Teague blue reactive for the T-Wolves. Old school Stephon Marbury, Jackson Hayes rookie, MVP's James Harden, and a Romeo Langford rookie for the Celtics. Utah Jazz, first few packs, nothing notable. I think we got maybe a Karl Malone blue reactive Team USA, if I recall, would be the most exciting card, probably. I think we've pulled that card. Jabari Parker, Victor Oladipo, Robert Covington, Grayson Allen blue reactive for the Grizzlies. Give and go LeBron James for the Lakers. There's a Tyler Hero debut for the Heat. We got RJ Barrett base rookie for the Knicks. And a Hall of Fame Magic Johnson. So we pulled a couple of the bigger rookies. The Hero was a debut, unfortunately, but we got an RJ, one jaw. We didn't pull a Zion, but we pulled Nickeil Alexander-Walker blue reactive. I've been told that yeah, you're right. That's last break it was for the Knicks, that auto was. But I've been told I remember what I was saying. Oh, I was told Nickeil Alexander-Walker was cousins to Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. I don't know if somebody was trolling me or not. I didn't do my research to figure out if that was true, but that'd be pretty cool. So many like relatives, brothers, and cousins, and father, son, guys who play in the NBA. It's definitely genetic to an extent, with a lot of hard work. We got Eric Bledsoe, Jeremy Grant, Ben Simmons, Kyrie Irving, blue reactive for the Nets. Not too shabby there. We have a Got Game, Nikola Vucevic, Kevin Durant, Team USA, Nicolo Melli, rookie for the Pelicans, and another MVPs, LeBron James. I will say, opening a bunch of this Mosaic, I feel like, and I don't know if it's because the set is so small or what, but I feel like you get a lot of the same cards. Like, I've almost had identical duplicate boxes in a break, and it's kind of frustrating when that happens, but we do have an interesting looking card here. I don't know why, but you can see white all down the side of it. I'm not sure what that's going to be. We'll have to see. Julius Randle, Danny Green, Russell Westbrook. Ooh, there we go. We got a debut Zion blue reactive for the Pelicans. We got something here. It could be just a backwards card by accident. It looks like it might be like a will to win. Yeah, it's nothing special. I thought it was going to be something special. That's a nice Zion, though. Got Russell Westbrook give and go. Sorry to waste our excitement there. Tremont Waters, rookie for the Celtics. We got debut PJ Washington. Another Darius Baisley, rookie for the Thunder. A lot of the same lineups coming in and out with some of this Mosaic stuff. But the Zion was a little unexpected, at least. Kyrie card's a little bowed, so I'm not going to force my hand on the top. We'll let a little bit of gravity work there. I feel like if the card's kind of bowed, it doesn't go in very easily, so you put a little too much pressure on top of the card when you do that. Kevin Herter, Danilo Gallinari, Bobby Portis. We have a Bradley Beal, blue reactive for the Wizards. I think that dude's super talented. He just, I don't know. Maybe he's not a good team player. I don't know. Will the win, Russell Westbrook. Got Cameron Johnson debut. Another Isaiah Roby and Julius Erving Hall of Fame. Yeah, I think Bradley Beal's pretty talented. I just don't know what the problem is. I guess the Wizards probably just never have been great, so. LeBron James, base. Dylan Brooks. Miles Turner. Old Royce O'Neal. Looks like we have a Genesis behind this one, too. We do. Is it a debut? Oh. Oh, so it is a rookie. Oh, sweet mother. Or you see the color of the shield. Is that PJ? Oh, my sweet Lanta. What a nice one for the Hornets. Glad it was PJ. Could have been somebody else. Could have been Krusty Cody. Or Corey. I don't know which one's in here. Maybe neither one of them are in here. I don't know. I think Cody Martin's in here. That's a sick card, though. That looks so good with the Hornets colors, too. There we go. A lot of eyes on the Hornets, too, this year. So PJ may get a little bit of value, love, or whatever you want to call it. This card may go up in value a little bit compared to maybe last year. DeAndre Hunter, rookie. Scottie Pippen, Hall of Fame. And a Grant Williams, rookie for the Celtics. I wonder if anybody's pinpointed how short printed these Genesis cards are. My guess is 50 out of 50. Could be more, could be less, but I think it's 50. I don't know. We did a Mosaic break and Mosaic football, and I pulled 3 Nick Bosa Genesis cards myself. So, I don't know. Oh, that card's only $200 in a PSA 10? That's crazy. That's a lot cheaper than I figured it would be. There may be a lot more Genesis on the market or something now. Like I said, I think they're out of like 50. Carmelo Anthony, Miles Bridges, Malik Monk. You got a Danny Green, blue reactor for the Lakers. A green old school Tim Duncan for the Spurs. Hall of Fame Wilt Chamberlain. Bowl rookie for the Nuggets. And another debut Tyler Hero. And that's wild. So maybe a lot of Mosaics kind of come down, I guess, since I was really breaking it every week back in the day. So I remember we pulled a Ja Morant Genesis, and it was like $2,000 raw. I mean, I know it's Ja Morant, but $2,000 for a raw card is just out of this world, in my opinion. Yeah, that's true. That's a good pull for the Hornets, for sure. Serge Ibaka, Cody Zeller, PJ Tucker, Jeremy Lamb, blue reactive for the Pacers. Old school Patrick Ewing, we got Mfiondu Kabengele, Hall of Fame Karl Malone, and a Jordan Poole, rookie for the Warriors. So these packs are just Creepy, similar to that first box. So with that being said, we did pull a Ja and an RJ, so maybe we'll pull a couple of those cards again. At least we did get a nice Zion, if we don't pull a base Zion. Aaron Gordon, Paul George, Lonzo, got Eric Bledsoe, blue reactive. A mosaic of Drew Holiday for the Pelicans. Yeah, I guess it just depends on the player. James Harden MVPs, Romeo Langford rookie for the Celtics, and Eric Pascal debut for the Warriors. I know a lot of people were big on PJ at the end of last year. That kind of probably LaMelo may actually hurt that because maybe people feel like LaMelo is the way to go with the Hornets or something. PJ will take a back seat as far as investing goes, quote unquote. Kyle Anderson, Kristaps Porzingis, Bam Adebayo for the Heat. We got a Hall of Fame Charles Barkley for the Sixers. In the world, just a debut. Oh, is that Zion's big feet? No, he's looking the other way, I think. Whose big shoe is that? Anybody know? It should be a debut. Maybe it's not a debut. It's a Hall of Fame. Okay. That's throwing me off. Pete Maravich. That's way off. Oh, no, that's funny. Well, we got a couple of nice Hall of Fame cards back to back there. Maravich and old Charles Barkley. Terrence Davis, rookie. We got Charles Barkley, Team USA, and Jackson Hayes, rookie for the Pelicans. Oh, man. Yeah, you got it. Old Pistol Pete. Well, I think these sleeves actually this time are a little bit bent over the top. Make it a little tricky to get in there. Julian's got low quality supplies tonight. OG Anunoby, Josh Richardson, John Collins, Landry Shamet, blue reactive. I got game Russell Westbrook. There's the RJ Barrett rookie. Hopefully we get another John Morant. Usually he's somewhere around RJ. There's Magic Johnson and a debut RJ. So doubled up on RJ. John Morant in the last pack, maybe? We shall see. We shall find out. At least we did get a Genesis. No auto, but we got a Genesis. That was a tough one. Nemanja Bjelica, Paul Millsap. Looks like we have blue reactive rookie coming up at least. DeAndre Ayton. Hey, that's a nice one. Nice Rui for the Wizards. So this is the regular old blue reactive. No debut going on. Ooh, got a LeBron James Jam Masters for the Lakers. It's pretty sweet. Jarrett Culver debut. We got Talon Horton Tucker and a Larry Bird Team USA. So there's a couple good cards there in that last pack with that LeBron and Rui. Rui. man, what in the world? I don't know why they call them penny sleeves now. There we go. What in the world's wrong with me? Alright. I'll go ahead and do a quick recap. We got Admiral Schofield, Mosaic rookie for the Wizards. Giannis, blue reactive. Got Game Green and Bradley Beal. A John Morant base. Rui debut blue reactive. Anthony Davis blue reactive. About that same time, we got a Jimmy Butler blue reactive over there. Nicholas Batum silver. Nikhil Alexander Walker blue reactive. RJ Barrett base rookie. There's a Zion debut blue reactive. Kyrie Irving blue reactive. PJ Washington debut Genesis. That card looks sweet. Oh, that's okay. That makes sense. The debut versions always go for a lot less. I didn't even think about that whenever I was so confused. You guys were saying $50 for all. I was like, holy cow. I'll go buy up all those, but the debut makes a big difference. That Ja Morant that we pulled was not a debut either. It was the one that said was raw for 2000. It was a regular rookie card, so that makes a huge difference. Old school green, Tim Duncan. We got Pete Maravich, silver Hall of Fame. Charles Barkley, blue reactive Hall of Fame. RJ Barrett. That should be in between the sleeve and the thing. There's a couple of debris in there. Another RJ Barrett base. Rui Hachimura, blue reactive. And a Jam Masters LeBron James for the Lakers. Got a couple MVPs, LeBron for the Cavs. Some other rookies, some base rookies. Couple Tyler Hero debuts. Couple Jarrett Culver debuts. I'll get those sleeves and top loaded as well. But you guys take it easy. I'm going to hop off here. If you need something, shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. Glad to help you out. We'll catch you next time.